157 basically, guys. So guys, question is
100
saying
minus
360.
58.
Yes. So guys, here it will become what? One. So guys, here answer will be 7.
Huh? How
How
57?
many like
57
See,
you will get.
57 you will get from here, not 157.
see. Tell me, after dividing, how much you got?
57.
58.
58.
So it will become 157. Again, tell.
Mhm.
Now this is completely basically there is no remainder, guys. The last digit will be what? That number, na?
How it
So they're
will
saying
be
360.
157, yeah? Tell me this.
Hmm. What, Priyal?
See, Manish, I did not mistake at answer. A plus n minus 1 into d I have taken, but you did a minus n minus 1 into d, right?
See, that was, see, Bhagya, you have to use that formula when there's a common difference. I
Common
think there,
difference is 1 I have taken, Manish.
so there is no need of doing that, na, because you can do directly here.
A
And
how
the
much?
So
1?
when do
100,
we know that we
100
have to
plus.
use that formula?
That is the last term, Priya. Last term.
hmm.
Last term.
So 157 you got, na, and that is completely divided. It means this last number will be the what?
This is.
7.
Hmm. Here I did mistakes. Calculation mistake.
Calculation mistake.
Overall,
Hmm. Read this question, Priyal.
8 people, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, are seated around a table, facing inwards. Their arrangement do not follow alphabetical order. A and B occupy seats directly across from one another. From B's position, G is seated 3 places to the right and C sits beside H. But C is not seated next to A and E does not sit directly opposite G. D is seated
Hmm.
next to neither A or G. Additionally, E
Hmm.
is not immediate neighbor of either D or F. Starting from D, moving clockwise around the circle, how many people lie between D and F?
Hmm. So tell Priyal demand
See,
what question
Manish,
is asking.
3, 3, 6, 8,
How
8 people
how
are
many?
sitting.
8
Uh,
people are
and
sitting
they're facing to each
basically.
other,
So guys, you
right?
know what? If you guys will give you time to solve this question, na, you will guys take minimum 3 minutes. But the approach which I will tell you, na, you will be able to solve this question basically within 30 seconds, and that is guarantee of the right question. Yes. Now see Mani's approach. See Mani's approach, guys. Now 8 people are there, na. See guys, the approach which I'm telling guys, na, always remember this thing in the real exam, guys. Yes. Always make 2 diagram. Yes. 8 people are there, na. It means 8 people. Now, guys, if you read this here, A and B occupy seats directly cross from one another. So it means you put here B, A, B, A and B. Then because they are cross to each other. From B position, G is seated 3 places to the right. So B is here, and right means what? G here and G here. Guys, listen carefully.
Why are you making four
Hmm.
diagrams in this one?
What, Priyal?
Nothing, Manish. Nothing.
Hmm. C sits beside H. Now, guys, I don't know where is C, guys. Right? But C sits beside H, guys. Okay. Now listen. But C is not seated next to A. So C cannot be here. So C can be here. If C is here, so H will be here. If C is here, then H will be here, guys. I have just taken, but there is no C over T. E does not sit directly opposite to G. E does not sit directly positive to G. Okay, it means E cannot be here, guys. Okay, I don't know E is where, but E is not there. Hmm. And D is seated next to neither A or G. So D cannot be here or here. So D can be, guys, here then. Because there's only one place here. Hmm. Additionally, E is not immediate neighbor of D and F. So guys, E cannot be here and E cannot be here. So E has to be here. Common sense. E has to be here, right? And if and C and then it is completed. Now what is left only? F is left, I think. F is left. Yes. See, now completed. Now what question is saying? If from starting D, moving clockwise, how many person lie between D and F? So clockwise means कि 1%, 2%, 3%, 4, 5, 6 है. So D and F की 6%. 6 will be the answer. And now you ask why I made two diagram.
Yeah,
Ask Priyal.
I asked.
See, suppose that this is not fitting, na. So I would have switched here directly. Otherwise, you know what? Some people what they will do, it is not fitted, so they will cut it and they will again read the entire question. So it will kill the time. So guys, see, it is getting fitted. That then that is okay. But guys, if it would not have been fit, so I would have switched here actually, guys. So it would have been at the time basically. And guys, again I'm telling you, this set is all about time management. Hmm. Read Priyal this question.
How M is related to N? N is the brother of X, N is the daughter of Y. X and Y are married to each other. X is the father of N has only one sibling. And Y is the mother of Z.
Hmm. Guys, this is question actually you guys can tell. This is blood relationship. Real guys, you have a 1 minute time, guys. Tell. Bhagya, tell immediately. Question is saying how many statements are sufficient, minimum statement to make the relationship between Yam and Yan, guys. So this is what you need to understand, guys. No need to arrange a big program, guys. Here. Hmm. Basically.
Hmm, got it.
See, guys.
Manish, answer
See,
तो
guys.
नहीं
The
है
pro.
3 यार.
See, three statement. Bhagya, you
Hmm.
tell.
Two statements.
Tell which one.
See, 1 and 4
X
is
and Y are.
sufficient.
1 and 4. Yes. You have hit the nail at the head. See, Priyal, question is saying relation between Yam and Yan. First statement is saying Yam is brother of Yax, and
Hmm.
this statement is saying Yax is the father of Yan. So Yam is the uncle of Yan. Only two statements of them. See.
Hmm.
So here,
Okay, I
what do you
get.
understand the in exam hall, guys? Ki see Yam and Yan. So what is the common point between Yam and Yan? Yax. So only two statements are sufficient. So guys, I think there can be nothing easier than that. This question, guys. Hmm. Guys, two questions are left. We will finish today. Priyal, read this question. 59.
An inlet pipe and outlet pipe operate at constant rate and connected to a tank. On Sunday morning, the tank is completely empty. From Sunday to Friday, okay, both pipes are open together for 4 hours each day. At the east end of each these days, some water remains in the tank because the inlet pipe has X% more capacity than the outlet pipe. On Saturday,
Hmm.
only the outlet pipe is open for 4 hours. At the end of the Saturday, the tank becomes completely empty. The outlet pipe drains 50,000 liter water in 4 hours each day from Sunday to Friday. What is the value of X?
See, guys. Let me tell you guys the question. What question is saying, guys? This is a basically what tank, and guys, one pipe is a inlet and other is a outlet, and guys, they are open between Sunday to Friday. Then, then guys, some water is left here because you know what? The inlet pipe has X% more than outlet
Okay,
pipe.
sir.
So the water which is left here, guys, na. So again, outlet pipe is opened from till what? Saturday, I think. What question is saying here?
Yes, Saturday, end of
Saturday,
Saturday.
only the outlet pipe is opened by yes. Then again the whole water is empty. Then from Sunday again cycle is started, guys. So question is saying, what is the value of X, guys? X means what? Yeah, how much percent X has more speed than Y, guys? Now see, now you know what? Now guys, see, you guys will arrange a big program. I know that. Now listen, Manish approach, guys. I will I will bring this answer within one line actually. See, guys, I don't need to know here total work, guys, because you know, guys, when question is saying there are one tank and one inlet and other is outlet, it means what? The capacity of this tank will be what? Till the capacity of this tank will be how much water is going and how much water is getting emptied, guys. Basically, for example, if I say I have 5 liter of water that I have drunk, so it means what? This water contains only 5 liter. So guys, now use, guys. So means net quantity will be what? Inlet minus outlet.
Moderate.
But guys, here inlet is X% more. But guys, both pipes are open for 4 hours and for 6 days, I think. Because see, Monday, no, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 6 days. So guys, 6 days. And now this is X% more into X, and the net is what? Question is saying on Saturday only the outlet pipe is open for 4 hours. It means 4. Now solve this question. 24 into
6 into
X
24 into
upon 100 equal to
minus
4.
4.
Solve this question, guys, and find the X value.
X
Solve
to
immediately.
whole
24
6.
into X by 100 equal to 4. So again
Uh,
solve this question.
1. Manish, it will be that 16.16.
16.
2 by
Hmm.
3 C
This is
parts.
the See, guys, now there is no need to arrange a bigger program, guys, here. So guys, are you getting na? I mean, understand the questions and you enjoy the logic, guys. After that, guys, there will be nothing basically. Hmm.
Manish, here X% more than means. Okay.
X
Show the
percent, it means X has more capacity than buy. I mean outlet.
show, show
Inlet
the
has
question.
X% more capacity than buy. Outlet bhag gaya. That's why now
No,
I told Priyal to read the question. When Priyal read the question, then what were you doing? You should read.
no,
I mean,
no, no,
hmm,
Manish. See, X% is more than or X%
Hmm.
is quantity more. Show no, Manish.
no, no. See,
Water X% more than
see.
Bhagya.
Total water is going na,
I understand,
and
Manish.
more than X
But
percent.
see, if X% is more than now, I will take 6 into 4 into 1 plus X by 100. But you take na directly X by 100. That's as X% more capacity than outlet pipe, here they told. So 1 plus X by 100 you have to take. Then how you
No, no.
calculate?
You have see. Question is not saying total bhagya. Question is saying ki more than this only, that much only. So means
More than
see,
outlet.
this is what see. Suppose that you have cost price 100 rupees, 20% profit. So it means what will you do? 100 to 20%. So answer is 20 only, na. This is what you need to understand here, na. This is the total what is going on 6 into 4. Now X is more. It means X 100 equal to 4 is extra. What is left? So that is a net actually. Net quantity means what, guys? Inlet minus outlet. I told you earlier, na. That's
Mhm.
what I have done, guys.
So
Guys,
you are
you
equating here net quantity to the X%, right?
yes.
Okay.
Poor girl, I don't know anything. And hmm. Read this question, Bhagya. 68.
The question is given, followed by two statements. One and
What is
what
the
is the
value?
value of integer n given that in two-digit number?
Hmm.
Two-digit number. N has exactly three distinct factors. The
Hmm.
sum of the digits of n is 7.
Hmm. So tell me which is sufficient to answer the question. Tell the value of n, exact value of n, and that is a two-digit number, guys. Very good question, guys. And that is very easy question actually, guys. Actually, yes, I like this question.
Two-digit number, right?
Hmm. Tell Priyal. Tell.
0, 1, 15, integer.
See, guys, what is the value of integer n given that it has two-digit number, guys? So, guys, it has a two-digit number, guys. So this is two-digit. Now read the first statement. N has exactly three-digit factor, guys. So, guys, this is common sense, guys. A number can have three-digit, guys, three factor, guys, only when that is square of a perfect number. I mean, sorry, that is a square of prime number, guys. I repeat, a number can have only three factor, guys. You can write in your diary.
Hmm.
A number can have only three factor, guys, only when that is the square of that number is the square of a prime number. For example, I am giving you this: 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Basically, now 7 square 49, but 4 is the, now see, guys, if you take 4 factor, guys, na 16, so it has more than 3 factor. But if you take, guys, 25 factor, na, so only 3
Oh,
factor will be, guys,
हाँ,
you
3
can
factor.
recross. Hmm. So, guys, it means, but guys, 2 and 3 cannot be the answer because they are single digit. So only number I have left
5,
with 5 and 7.
7.
That is 25 and that is 49. Get any doubt till here?
No.
But guys, we had two number, but we want a unique number, so one is not sufficient. Hmm. Now read the second. The sum of the
The
digit is,
sum of digits of
so,
n
guys,
is
two
7.
digit 7, guys. So we have many number like that. For example,
Hmm.
16. Then we have 34.
The
Then we have 25. Then we have
43,
yes. Then we have 43. Then we have,
52,
yeah, 52.
62,
So many number. It means this is also not sufficient. Now you merge. So, guys, I have only one number. That
25.
is 25. So it means both are sufficient to answer the question. Tell, guys, how easy question it was basically. So, guys, write this thing. A number, a two-digit number can have only three factor only when it is the square of a prime number. Yes. So, guys, I think last question is left. Read this question. Priyal?
So
The
question you
difference
said
between the difference between two distinct natural numbers A
Hmm.
and B is exactly 12.
Hmm.
What can be said about natural numbers which are divisible by 4 and lie
Hmm.
between these two numbers?
Hmm. Tell. This question at least you guys can answer.
it is
Tell.
20, 12,
Priyal, tell.
it's exactly 12.
Is the divisible by and lie between these two numbers.
Numbers are divisible by 4. 24 and 12. That is it. They always do such number. See, it has to be divisible by 4.
So tell the answer.
Two such number.
See, guys, you know what? You guys have not understood the question, I think. That's why you guys are arranging a bigger program. Now let me help. Because Manish has to help. Otherwise, I think you guys will not be able to solve in time, actually. Well, girl, tell. Don't know anything in the... Hmm. See, the difference between two distinct natural number A and B is only 2. Guys, this is first and this is second. And difference is 12. Any doubt here?
No.
No doubt. Right? What can be said about the natural number, guys, which are divisible by 4? And see, guys, and the number which are between there, that number has to be divisible by 4, guys. And lie between these two number, actually. So, guys, this is common sense. Guys, now 1 and 13. Tell, tell me the difference.
12.
12.
12. And 4, 8, and 12. Is it divisible by 4?
4, 8, and
So
12.
there are 3. Now I can also take like that, guys. 4 and 16.
You can
Then
take 24 and 12 also you
so
can take.
so 8 and 12. 8 and 12. So guys,
8
here I'm getting what?
8,
8 and
8
12
and 12
more.
how?
Difference
Between
should be
24 and
12.
12. 24 and 12 you can take, right?
20 and 8 we can.
But
see guys,
Because difference money, 8 and 12 difference is not
divisible
12.
by 4.
not divisible by
8
Divisible by
and
4 is
12.
also
8 and 12 will not give you
if
not 12.
8
8 and 12 is not divisible by 4.
is divisible by 4, but if the difference is not 12.
Why?
8 and
8 and
12.
12.
4
I
will be
am
the
not
difference.
talking about that. I'm talking about another situation. If I will take first number 4 and second number 16, so difference is 12. So there can be 8 or 12 number in between. See guys, first case I have taken A equal to 1 and B equal to 13. Difference is 12. So what can be the number between there? Between 1 and 13? 4, 8 and 12, which are divisible by 3. So here 3 answer. But guys, if I will take 4 and 16 between, so again
Okay.
12 difference.
The
But here,
multiples
but
of
here,
4 is 8 and 12 is also.
but here 8 and 12 is there. It means answer can be either 2 or 3. Answer will be C basically.
Manish, can we take 24 and 12?
24
And 12.
and yes. So answer will be same, Priyal, again 2 only.
16 and 20. That's okay.
So this is what I'm saying, guys. Na, कि there is a possibility of 3 as well as 2 actually, because they have not given that, because they are saying exclusive of A and B. So there is also this number, there is also this number, there is also this number. So guys, in this case 3 is coming, in this case 2 is coming, in this case 2 is coming. So I mean, unclear information. It means the answer will be this one, guys. This one. There can be either 2 or 3 such a number in between. Question is saying in between, na? Lies between these two numbers, exclusive of A and B. Again, tell. Any doubt?
No.
Mm.
Girl, not able to solve question and no.
Manish, I did it.